Hi, everybody. My name is Brenda, and the ethnic food that I am going to be sharing with you guys is albondigas. Albondigas are one of my favorite foods, or meal dish, I should say. Um, I am not entirely sure where it originates from, but I was introduced to it by my grandmother, and she is from Mexico. Basically, albondigas, I believe I can share with you a photo. It looks like this. It is meatball soup with vegetables, and this is pretty similar to how it looks when my grandma makes it. She uses ground beef, rice, diced tomatoes, and mint, salt and pepper to make the meatballs. And then for the vegetables, it's zucchini, potatoes, cucumbers, onion, and my favorite part is the zucchinis. Oh gosh, I love them so much. So yeah, anytime she makes it for me, I'm like, Grandma, please add extra vegetables because it's my favorite part. Um, I'm choosing this dish because I don't know, it's just a very comforting dish for me, especially if I'm feeling like sick or it's cold. I just tend to gravitate towards this, and I love when my grandma makes it for me. She makes the best. I actually have been planning on learning how to make this myself, but every time I do it with my grandma, she takes over. But yeah, so this is just my meal that I'm choosing. So thanks. Bye.